We will discuss the four of the topics one by one in detail. The first method of this topic is graphical method. Means how can we solve this system of pair of linear equation in two variable by graphical method. So it is a simple approach. First of all, we will plot the graph for the two lines one by one on the same graph paper and try to find out the common solution. Means the point of intersection of the two lines. That is our aim, right? So first of all, we will find out the two solution for both of the two equations, right? So as we discussed in the class 9th chapter, linear equation in two variables, right? So first of all, I will try to find out the two of the solution for this equation. The equation is x plus y equal to 6. So first of all, I will put x equal to 0 in this equation and try to find out the value of y when x is 0. So if x is equal to 0 here, then we observe that 0 plus y equal to 6, that means y equal to 6. So 0 comma 6 is the one of the solution for this equation. Similarly, I will put y equal to 0 here, and if y equal to 0, then x come out to be 6. So these are the solution 0 comma 6 and 6 comma 0 for this equation. Similarly, I will find out the solution of the another equation, that is x minus y equal to 2. Alright. So again, I will put x equal to 0 here. So if we observe that if x is 0, then y will be minus 2, and if y will be 0, then x will be 2. So we have two solutions for this equation also, 0 comma minus 2 and 2 comma 0. Now I will plot these points on the graph paper, right? So 1, this is x axis, this is y axis, this is the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And similarly, because y is negative, minus 2 here, so I have to go further, minus 1 and minus 2. Now plot these points in the graph paper. This is 0 comma 6, so that means x is 0, y is 6, and here x is 6, y is 0. Now join these 2 points to get the graph of x plus y equal to 6. Similarly, plot 0 comma minus 2, that is this point, and 2 comma 0, which is this point. Now plot these 2 points, join these 2 points to get this equation, right? Now this is the common solution. As we discussed, we have to find out the common solution, means the common point which satisfies both the equation. So if we observe that if our graph is correct here, so we observe that this point come out to be 4 comma 2. So that means x equal to 4 and y equal to is the required solution of this pair of system equation. So this is the one of the graphical method in which we can find out the common solution, means the unique solution, means the point at which the two lines intersect each other. So this is the one of the method, right? Okay, now the second method is elimination by substitution, right? I have taken the same example here so that we can compare the answer. In the previous part, we observed that the value of this system of equation come out to be x equal to 4 and y equal to 2. So the same answer should be come out by this method also. So in this method, we have to eliminate one of the variable either by x or by y. So either we will eliminate x or y by finding out the value of any of the two variables from one of the equation and put that value into the other. So first of all, I will take the first equation which says x plus y equal to 6. So y will be equal to 6 minus 6. Now I will put this value of y in the another equation here. So put this value of y equal to 6 minus x in equation 2. I am assuming that this is equation 2 and this is equation 1. So if we put y equal to 6 minus x here, so our equation becomes x minus 6 minus x equal to 2. Use bracket is very important here, because some students did this mistake that they write x minus 6 minus x, but which is wrong, because if we have to if we are not applying the bracket here, the sign of x will not change, which is actually changes here. So if we open the bracket, we have minus 6 and minus 1 is plus x equal to 2. So we have 2x equal to 8 because minus 6 goes to that side. 6 plus 2 is 8. X come out to be 4 because 8 by 2. And since x is 4, then y will be equal to 6 minus x by this equation. So x minus 4. So y come out to be 2. So final solution will be x equal to 4 and y equal to 2. So this is the required solution for this pair of linear equation in two variables, right? Which is the same solution as in the previous case, right? Now I am taking the same example here by the third method, which is the elimination by equating the coefficient. I will discuss these two different questions for this method, because in this case our aim is to eliminate the variables either x or y by equating the coefficient. Means we have to make the coefficient of x and y equal, but in this case we observe that the coefficient of x is already equal and y, the coefficient of y are also equal, means 1 and 1. So this is easier method and easier question also. So I have taken another example here also. So first of all we will discuss this and then that. So x plus y equal to 6, x minus y equal to 2. Our first aim is to make the coefficient of x, coefficient means the term which is multiplied with x, should be equal, which is already equal here. So our work is already done. Now coefficients are already equal. Now we will add these two equations. So if we will add the two equations, this y cancel out with minus y, because plus y cancel out with minus y, and we have 2x, because 1x and 1x, 2x, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So x come out to be 4a. Now put this x equal to 4 in any of the two equations. Let us take the first equation here, x plus y equal to 6. So x is 4, then y come out to be 6 minus 4, y come out to be 2. So our solution is x equal to 4 and y equal to 2. This is the solution of this pair of system equation. Now we will discuss this example next. In this case also we have to make the coefficient equal. In the previous case the coefficients are already equal, but in this case we have to make the coefficient equal. So for that we will multiply the coefficient of x, which is 3 here, to the first equation, and multiply the coefficient of x in the first equation by the second equation, right? So that we have 6 here and 6 here. So if we multiply the whole equation by 3 here, so we have 6x plus 9y equal to 24, and if we multiply it by 2 to the second equation, we have 6x plus 8y equal to 22, right? Our aim is to make the coefficient equal. Now we observe that the coefficient of both x are 6, 6. Now we can subtract these two equations because both have the same sign. So keep in mind that if these two equations have the same sign, then you have to subtract the equation. If they have opposite sign, then you have to add the equation. Since these two equations has same sign, so we will subtract the two equations. Subtract means now we have to change the sign. On subtracting, this will be minus, this will be minus, and this will be minus. So 6x minus 6x cancel out. 9y minus 8y will be y, and 24 minus 22 is 2. So we have y equal to 2, right? Now put this value of y equal to 2 in this equation, or in this equation we have the option, we can put this value in any of the equation, right? 2x plus 3 into 2 is 6. So 2x come out to be 2 and x come out to be 1. So we have a solution here, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So this is the solution of this system of linear equation. I will explain more such example in my next tutorials, right? Thanks.